Kalanding lang namin. Wait lang. Meron kaming van pick up. Hi guys! Our first night here in Siargao. So, nakapag-dinner na kami. And nagsisettle na lang kami ngayon. It's already 9:46. Medyo pagod na kami sa isang araw na biyahe. Ayun. So, ayun guys. Tomorrow, meron kaming tour. Island hopping tour. Whole day siya. So, kailangan naming magpahinga ngayon guys. Para may energy kami bukas. Good night! Sige. Gusto mo yung pala. Hi guys. Breakfast meant for the day. Tara, sa'yo na lang. Hi! Meron kaming island tour.
Okay? And then meron tayong one-side trip. Yung one-side trip natin yung Sacred Garden, okay? Yung sa Sacred Garden po, ma'am, sir, only for snorkeling tayo dun, ha? O, mag-i-snorkel.
Hi! Guys! Ayan. Very nice. Ay, off limit na daw doon. So, hanggang dito lang yung pwede. Naked Island. Second stop namin dito sa aming island hopping is the Naked Island. Mag-ano muna kami doon. Magpapa-drone shots. You know. Nandito kami sa aming last island, which is the Daco Island. So, dito kami nag-lunch kanina. Boodle fight siya. And masarap yung mga foods. Meron ako natikman na shell. The first time ko natikman. Ay, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa shell na yun eh. Basta, guys, ang sarap. Ayan. So, ito yung view natin, guys. Yarns. Ayan. Mag-chill lang kami dito saglit. Hanggang 2 PM kami. So, medyo malapit na lang din. So, ayan. Mag-bread kami ng dinner namin tonight. Sinigang. O yan. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Today is our 3rd day na, guys. Ngayong araw, free day kami ngayon. So, mag-explore kami. Nag-rent kami ng motorcycle kagabi. 350 siya for 24-hour rent. So, saktong-sakto lang siya, guys. Siyempre, ang tulog ko, pagod na pagod ako kahapon. Grabe, tulog ko kagabi. So, mag-skincare lang muna ako. Ito yung suot ko, guys. Today. Tapos, naka-swimsuit na ako sa loob. Para anytime na gusto namin mag-swimming, tatanggalin ko na lang siya. Ay, kumuti. Ito yung moisturizer ko from Smoochkins. Magpa-foundation ako kasi meron na din siyang SPF. So, ito gagamitin ko, guys. Ayan.
Kami sa cloud. Dapat to 500. Kaya lang, nirequest natin on the beat. Wala sila available on the beat. So, pinarenta lang nila. Paano nakatipon tayo na? 150. Reward.
Nandito kami sa Cloud9. Meron nga yung international competition. Merong international surfing competition. Ano yun? Aoki, oo. Ayan, ito yung boardwalk. The famous boardwalk. Ay, ang ganda nga. Ay, ang ganda. Oh, ayan siya, guys. Doon siguro yun. Ay, doon siguro yung surfing.
Doon yung surfing.
Breakfast for today, guys. Nasa Cloud9 kami. Ayan yung Cloud9. Hello. Gutom na gutom. Meron siyang sausage.
Mainit.
Ako naman, pancake with bacon and fruits. Yums. Ayan. Overlooking tayo sa beach. Doon banda yung mga nagsusurf. Ayan, dyan sa mga area na yan. Ganda yung alon dun, no? Pero na si Klein, magta-try siya mag-surfing.
In the quiet hours of early morn, a soft melody begins to form. Your smile lingers like a whispered tune in the hush of a waking afternoon. Every glance sparks a tender light, illuminating dreams in the gentle night. I pen these words with all my care, hoping you sense the love I share. This little love song written just for you hums the truth of what we always knew. Every note and every line says I'm yours and you're forever mine. A simple tune from heart to heart, a quiet love that will never depart. Under skies brushed with a soft blue hue, I see a reflection that feels so true. Every laugh, each silent sigh fills my world with a glow that won't pass by. Every moment feels like a warm embrace, a little world where love finds its place. I write our story in gentle tones, a little song that's purely our own. This little love song written just for you hums the truth of what we always knew. Every note and every line says I'm yours and you're forever mine. A simple tune from heart to heart, a quiet love that will never depart. In the stillness of a whispered day, our hearts converse in their own sweet way. No grand words need ever be said, just our love softly spread.
Dito sa Lamar Age. Dito kami mag-late lunch, early dinner. Ay, ang cute. Ay. Parang nasa ano ko ah. Nasa... Ang ganda naman ang ano nila. Walkway. Alright. It's here. Ang cute, ang daming koi fish. Ha? Oh, dito ako. Ah, sige. Ang ganda. Miss ko na si Daddy. Oo, okay lang. Meron akong line. Meron akong tan line.
Magsando ka.
So may fruit. Gusto ko nang nakaano talaga. Fruits dito. Ano ka?
Hello?
Hi. Hi guys, good morning. So it's time for us to check out na. So yung aming ang tawag dito, ang aming flight is around 12:55. So ipipick up kami ng aming airport transfer na around 10 or 10:30. Nag-ready na ako. Inaayos ko lang yung aming mga bagahe. Ayan. Kahapon, bumili ako ng mga pampasalubong. Mga t-shirt na merong Siargao. May Siargao na prints. Tapos, yung mga mga souvenir like keychain yun. So, ayan. Ito tayo. Ito yung suot ko. Pauwi.